Huh. There we go. There we go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tonight, I am in the lab with the 240. This episode is brought to you by TechWrap. They were so awesome and hooked it up with a 50% off of this roll of material and the carbon fiber because Paradox the Rapper is taking YouTube by storm. Oh, shit! Let's go. So today, this is gonna be an awesome episode where you guys will get to see me lay down this sick ass chrome roll on my drift car. So this is gonna be a very technical wrap laydown because chrome does not forgive you if you mess up. So once you lay it down once and you pull it back up, piece is ruined. Don't do that. So when you're laying chrome, you only get one shot, and that's why it's super expensive. So if you guys are looking for this stuff or any other TechWrap material, go to techwrap.com, not TechWrap USA. That's just their American front. Go to techwrap.com and use my code PARADOX with a capital P because it only works on that website, guys. Case sensitive, right here, Paradox with capital P. And I'm the only rapper around here that has my own TechWrap code or rap discount code. So you guys know what's up. You guys know what's up. All right, let's get started. I'm going to unroll this thing. I'm going to measure it out. This roll is actually a lot shorter than a regular roll. A regular roll is probably about that much higher. So I don't know why this is a shorter version, but that's going to cause some difficulty, obviously, because I might not be able to split the one piece into two and do the whole side with one piece. So that's why I might have to accent it with some black. All right, guys, stay tuned. This is gonna be lit. So I got Michelle here helping me out. She's removing these stupid little stickers. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know what character this was.
I was gonna keep this though.
No, that stays. That's inside the glass. Yeah. That's part of the 240.
Oh yeah, good. Okay.
Careful, don't scratch this wrap. Look at that.
Like, that's kind of cool.
Shit. Woo!
Yeah, I'm not a fan of chrome, but this is really pretty.
You gotta speak up when you're on camera.
I'm not a fan of chrome, but I like this one.
Yeah, so this is really crazy. I had some peeling issues just because I didn't sand this down all the way. Apparently the primer that came with it, it can lift because this is really sticky stuff. So right here I got some lifting, and then on the footage you guys saw, when I got to right here, it lifted some of the primer off. So last night I had to peel it back, razor it off, the primer that was sticking to this, and then sand it and then lay it back down. So I had to do some reinforcement wrap glue. But basically this material is really not made to go on a whole car. It's just made for accenting. Like if you're doing like a black car or something like that, and then you like want to put some cool designs on it with this stuff, that's really the main use for this. But anyway, that's why you get stuff like this right here, because it doesn't really want to go around curves like this, and then when you pull it down it really stretches this. So we'll see how this goes. If this sucks over time, I don't like it, I could just razor it off right here on this body line and then lay a new piece. Bella, she's here to cameo. That's Belly. The other one that you guys always see is Hamilton. So Bella and the Ham, that's their Instagram account. So I have to sand this right here, and then I'll mount it onto the car. Then I'll lay the final piece that I made for this side. So basically I cut the 53-inch piece, that's how high it is, and did this quarter panel, and then the bottom portion of that piece is used for this side skirt there. All right, let's get to sanding. Look at Michelle go. Finally, I get her to squat next to the fucking car. Holy shit. I'm like, honey, if you squat next to the car and take pictures, we will get mad views for the thumbnail. Okay, oh, here you go. This is the thumbnail right here. Hold on.
Only because you need me to help straighten this out, because I have
Don't touch it.
stuff to do.
It's supposed to be like that. I just want to see you squat next to the car. Alright, give them a pose.
I don't.
You're a car model now. You're a car model now. Look at this.
No,
Look at this
I'm
hot
not.
wrap.
Commercial real estate broker. Well, okay, what are you going to do with this?
Oh yeah, shake it. basically took me all night to do. As you can see, the mess here. But the bumper piece is ready to be laid on now. Let's run over this and tell you why I have to do this. So basically, this is why you have to pay the chrome price, guys, if you guys really want to party. And people messaging me and was like, how much is it to chrome wrap your car? Well, that's why it's super expensive. Because chrome doesn't want to fold, so you have to do stuff like this to be able to have it lay on there without it pulling back or wrinkling or messing up the reflective quality of the chrome. Down here you got one piece there, one piece there. That's a whole separate piece. This is 3 pieces. There's 1, 2. There's a seam like right there, but you can't really see it because if you lay it on a curve, you won't see it. There's a seam right there. And then this whole piece is 1 piece. And then, yeah, separate piece, separate piece, separate piece, separate piece, separate piece, separate piece. And then there's that. So that's why bumpers are really nasty when you're doing chrome. And it literally takes like almost 2.5 days just to do a front bumper or back bumper. Depending on the car. And then now when you lay the piece on, I can't even lay it as 1 piece. The whole bottom portion that I left blank here, that's gonna be 1 piece. This part right here is gonna be 1 piece. And there's a duck. These animals don't go to sleep, I swear to God. I think they're waiting for me to feed them. This top part right here is probably going to be 1 thin strip. And then the very, very top is going to be another strip where they will kind of meet right there on that body line and you will never see it. So you do it bottom up. That way the top piece will always overlap the bottom piece. You're looking down the car, you'll never see it. All right, guys. Time to go feed the ducks and then I'll place this, I think. So that whole right side and the front bumper is done. So let's go have a sneak peek at it. We're not gonna go over what the details of the wrap looks like until the next episode, but look at that. Oh, that's pretty wild. So what do you guys think? Holy shit. That's pretty crazy looking. It looks like a UFO. Hamilton, what do you think? I think he likes it. But yeah, that's basically it. That was harder than I thought it would be, but also easier because this is kind of a interesting material to work with. On the next one, I'll show you guys what the material is capable of doing. So we'll go do a material review and all that, but that color shift is pretty fire. Oh my God. Holy shit. Okay, so you guys need to vote. Let me know in the comments if I should be doing the hood in the same color or is that too much of the too much chrome. I was thinking about carbon fiber or maybe gloss with a gloss sparkle, and then also a gloss gloss black or gloss sparkle up top. So I'll show you guys what I have. Here I have this carbon fiber, basically. So we can do this carbon fiber on the hood and the roof, or I have this gloss black metallic sparkle diamond. I don't know. Maybe that gloss sparkle diamond is too much hotness because this car is already loud, but we'll see. We'll see. All right. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I got these glasses because it's only appropriate for that wrap to be rocking these while I'm driving it. So until next time, guys, catch the next episode where the whole car will be completed. There's some more body work I have to do on this door right here, because once I lay down the material, I can see a little bit of the dings on this door. So that irritates me. I'm gonna try to get the dings on the driver's side 100% complete and filled in. So that's the side that I'm always looking at, and I wanna make it look great when I'm looking at it. So tell me what you guys think of this wrap so far. Go to techwrap.com, use the code PARADOX with capital P for 5% off of this roll or any other material, and leave me a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.